In this video, I'm going to show us how to put the wall, the thickness of our wall and the height of our wall in our classroom layout for our floor plan. This is going to give us our elevation of 8 feet also. But coming in, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the offset tool. The offset tool is found underneath your push-pull tool. That's usually the way it looks over here in the left-hand edge. And we select that and then go to the bottom, which is our offset. To use the offset tool, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and drag outside and then release and type in the number 8 and then enter. If we don't have to label our inches in SketchUp, so all you have to do is hit the number 8 and hit enter, and it'll add on an 8-inch wall all the way around the exterior of our room or our perimeter. Now I'm going to click and rotate this a little bit. Because our next push-pull, what we want to do is we want to slide up, and by orbiting a little bit, it allows us to basically pull that wall up or into the height, I guess, positive height dimension. So I'm going to come in with my push-pull tool. Remember, that's the offset tool, the same thing, but now I'm going to the top, selecting that, and I'm going to slide or scroll in so I can make sure I'm clicking on the right surface, not the interior, but the exterior surface. And after I click or click and drag, I'm going to slide up with my mouse, and I'm going to drop it by either releasing my click or clicking again, and then I'm going to enter 8 feet this time and hit return or enter, and that gives us our wall.